Hello and welcome to another update video about Verasity. So far we have no change to the wave count here. No change to the wave count. It just simply is still extending its third wave. So all we have to do at this stage is follow the trend, which, as you know, is up. Been talking about that. We had 3 reactions to previous support areas, and the third wave is likely still unfolding. Because we're dealing here likely with a diagonal structure, we need to watch for an ABC structure in wave 3. Very choppy price action, I have to say. I'm going to give it a go at a micro count, but it is going to be unreliable. I might even delete it afterwards, but this could have been here an A, B, C structure in wave A. This would have been a B wave pullback, and then here a 1, 2, yeah, and then here probably we are sort of towards the end of this C wave now. Really difficult to say where exactly, because you get a lot of distortions when you're dealing with the short-term price action in the altcoin sector. Okay, so again, this could have been a 1, 2, then here possibly another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then you have overlaps here, so it gets very messy actually. It is very likely that this C wave is again an ending diagonal, so you're dealing really with very murky and messy price action that yeah, you actually try to avoid. What I mean is, you don't really want to trade the micro action here. What you want to do is you want to stay on a larger time frame and just focus on the relevant pivot points that I share and the support areas that so far can be used to just trade this, or could have been used to trade this price higher. VRA, one of the opportunities we identified many weeks ago when it reacted here to the support area, rallied into the target range, came down into support, rallied again, short pullback, go. And this third wave is now significantly extended, of course. But if we say that this was a wave 1, this was a wave 2, I'm actually just thinking, is this actually correct? Oh, actually, I think I made a mistake. Oh, well, not really, no, but it could be, and it's just another thought I have. The problem I have with this is why I don't really like the micro counting. This move up is not clearly an impulse. So let's assume this might be corrective and all of this is a diagonal, then this would change the subwave structure here quite a bit. So maybe it's actually a good decision to take the micro count out. But yeah, maybe we leave it at that level. But the idea was, we had a wave 1 here, had a wave 2. What is the target for this third wave? So if we have a third wave unfolding, then we're typically looking for ideally around the 1-to-1 ratio for this wave 3 if it's a diagonal. But even there, ideally a little higher. So the wave 3 target is still not reached. A while ago, I gave you a target here for the 1.618 extension level here, yeah, which is still where the wave 3 is sitting. So around the 1.22 cent level, that would be ideal, because if this is an impulse, that's where we would like to see the third wave go. It doesn't need to get to the 1.618. Sometimes they start to slow down around the 1.38 and 1.236 extensions. But yeah, the 1-to-1 ratio is, I mean, we only have 3 waves up anyway. So what we'd like to see is to fill in 5 waves. Support remains here at 0.0057 USD. And at the moment, yeah, even though it fulfilled the minimum requirements, yeah, I'm looking for another 4-5 to finish this, and ideally in the region around 0.009, 0.010, or 0.0012 USD. Can always extend further. That's why we track support, but no change to the wave count really. It's just working its way to the target. Okay. So that's my update about VRA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.